What's going on, guys? We're out here at Dierkes Lake Reservoir in Twin Falls, Idaho. They said it was a non-boating lake, but since there's no one here, they're going to let us launch the boat right over there in a little launch ramp. They said we could launch the boat because there's no one here and she don't care. So we're going to get up there, just use the electric motor today, not the big motor, and we're just going to go find some trout at the end of the lake. There's a fish.
Huh?
There's a fish.
You got a fish?
Yeah.
There's my fish. It's right here. Oh no, it's not. It's not on my pole. Oh, the one on the worm?
Yeah. I didn't even know he was there until I picked up the rod.
You know what? I thought I saw your pole moving, but I thought it was because you were reeling the other one.
I have no idea. I don't know, does that make me stay here? Is that a sign?
You didn't put a worm on mine.
That wasn't your fish. Your fish was
No, I know. I thought
3 times the size of that
I thought
one.
you were still reeling that one.
No.
Save the fish. Don't pull the gill.
No, he's not hooked.
Huh?
He's not hooked up. Alrighty then. I got another fish.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Stop.
Nice. I'm serious.
Why are you not checking it?
Hey, I'm Scuba Steve.
How
Coming in
did it get
hot.
down there?
Who knows? They're not even like biting and taking off. They're like biting it and then like just chilling out. Makes no sense to me. Oh, hold on. Oh! Pop the hook.
He's in the boat.
Oh, he's in the boat.
Oh, darling. Okay. Oh, good God. Head injury. Stroke. Call stroke.
Call stroke. We need the alarm. Get the pager. Time to endure the long trip ahead. I can't fire up the gas motor in this lake, so I have to use the electric motor at 10. Yeah, definitely. Beaver's here.